In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund badges in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have purchased a specific item or game passes on Roblox, you can potentially get a refund for those. So to get this done, visit the official Roblox website. So instead of doing this through the launcher on PC or even another platform like mobile, you have to go to the website. So open a web browser, go to roblox.com and sign into the account where you've made the purchase. Now, click on the settings icon, go to help and safety, click on help center, and now look for unauthorized charges and refund requests. If you don't see it here at the bottom under promoted articles, then you can just look for the keyword refund and you will find it here. Unauthorized charges and refund requests. If you want to, you can read through all of this, but it isn't needed. What you have to do here is scroll all the way down, and under additional help, you will find this article, or this option rather. Need more help? Contact support here. Finally, this will take you to roblox.com/support. You can also visit this page without being signed into an account. However, I don't recommend it. Sign into the account where you've made the purchase to ensure that this works. Now, you will have to fill out some information. Username and first name are optional, but the most important one by far is the email address. The email address is how they are going to be able to talk to you and tell you if the issue can or cannot be refunded. So always include an email address either from you or your parents so they can check it when they get a new message. Then under issue details, choose the device that you primarily play on. This can be PC, this can be mobile, consoles, it doesn't matter, just choose one. And then under help category, you will have a bunch of options. You are looking for purchases using Robux, so select this. On the subcategory, you have website item or in-experience. Usually it is going to be in-experience item, and then you can describe your issue. So you can tell them here, I bought a specific item / game pass / badge, and I would like a refund. You can tell them the specific item, on which experience or which game it was, when it was purchased, and they will tell you if it is possible for them to issue the refund. So just remember to check the email address that you include here and you will potentially be able to get it done. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.